It's your travel agent, David, and today we are going to be at the Shiraito and the Otodome Falls. Now, Shira means white, Ito means strings, so white strings. So we'll see what that means when we go to the falls. But when we get to the visitor center, the bathroom's going to be on the right. There's going to be a little vending machine area on your left, and then some information in an info center just next to that. So let's go check it out. Also in this area, you can go to the hiding rock of the Soga brothers and the grave of Kudo Sakasune. They are just on that side. We gotta go this way to the falls. We only have time for the falls, so if you come here and you got some extra time, you can go check out the grave and the rocks. So we are at the crossroads. When you get to this shop, to the left will be the Otodome waterfall, and to the right will be the Shiraito waterfall. We're going to go left first. Shiraito Falls means white thread falls. It is renowned for its delicate, thread-like streams of water cascading over 20 meters high and 150 meters wide. Fed by the spring waters of Mount Fuji, the falls present a mesmerizing curtain of water that resembles flowing white silk. This natural spectacle is part of the Fuji Hanoke Izu National Park and has been designed and designated as a Japanese natural monument since 1936. In 2013, it was also recognized as part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site under the Fujisan Sacred Place and Source of Artistic Inspiration listing. The dramatic cascade of the waterfall's forceful drop creates a thunderous sound, offering a stark contrast to the gentle flow of the Shiraito Falls. We have made it to the foot of the Shiraito Falls. The air here just smells so clean, and the breeze coming off of the waterfalls is amazing. And the sound of the water trickling down the falls and the river just crashing against the rocks it's indescribable. To do it justice, I can't do it. It's phenomenal. The various shades of green, the birds, the waterfalls, the river, the breeze, the smell, everything. It is phenomenal. You have to come here to really absorb it for yourself. Let's go get a little closer to the falls. It has a lot of scenic beauty. The falls are especially picturesque during the autumn foliage season and are popular spots for photography. The falls have been revered by Japanese culture and have inspired numerous poems and artwork over the centuries. Isn't that beautiful? We're gonna go check out another overlook now. Both waterfalls are situated in the Kamidi Fujinoma city, and you can access it with a 30-minute bus ride from the JR Fujinoma station. Admission is free, and you'll find nearby cafes, souvenir shops, and rest areas on the site. The best time to visit in spring would be for the cherry blossoms, which enhance the scenic beauty, and in the summer, the cool mist from the falls offers a refreshing respite. In autumn, vibrant foliage provides a stunning backdrop. Visiting both the Shiraito Falls and the Otodome Falls offers a harmonious blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage, making it a must-see destination when exploring the Mount Fuji area. First off, that observation point, it's a lot of steps and they're high, but the view's worth it, and you can actually see Mount Fuji and the waterfalls. It's still pretty cloudy, so I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but it's there. You can just faintly see the peak of it and a little bit of the western slope. But you can actually come here and go that way, so you can come this way if you want to just see the view without climbing the stairs from the visitor center. So once you go up those stairs, take a right, and the visitor center will be on your right hand side. So you may want to just come this way. That way everything will be downstairs, and you can come down the bottom part of the waterfall and then just climb a lot less stairs to get up to that Y, where you can go to the other waterfalls. And then there's no stairs on the way back to the visitor center. I wish they did it that way. Well, until next time, I will see you next trip.